Well, you can see us, sort of.
Well, you can barely see us.
Hey, vlog buddies. And
Hi,
yes,
guys.
I use that again. So, it's about 7 a.m. It's about to be 7.
7:35.
About 7:35. And at 8, we're going to be leaving for the con. Going to the Close Mesa Comics. Yay.
Show them your pass.
Oh, look. I got...
The super pass that I had to wait 3 hours in line for.
I think... No, you can't really see it, but it says Super Pase. And I got this cool t-shirt commemorative of the event.
Yes, it's really awesome.
So, we're getting ready. I'm going to put on my cosplay, and we'll sort out other details later. Bye.
It's gonna be awesome, so see you there, guys. Bye.
Bye. Hey everyone.
Hi, guys.
We're all dressed up and ready.
We've already showered, brushed our teeth, and gotten our outfits ready.
Yes, we're all ready. I'm gonna put up the rest of my costume later. We're currently on a bridge en route to the venue for the con.
Here you can see the whole pond. It used to be like an industrial park, and now they just turned into a convention center, and it's amazing.
Yeah, they have.
My skirt got wet.
Oh damn! They do a lot of stuff in this thing. They currently have, aside from the con, this special outlet sale of leathers and stuff. Okay, wait, let me get you. I'll get a good shot of
Here's
the
a glimpse
thing.
of the whole. And this is what.
Okay, I think you can see it. Well, I think you can barely see the fact that the Doctor Who poster there. And yes, this is the venue area.
And it's amazing. Look at this beauty. This is where all the magic happens.
Okay, I'm gonna get a close-up shot of the thing.
All right, hi guys. So we're walking all the way to the convention now, and what I'm really. All right, here's 2 things I expect from this convention. Well, what I want.
Yes.
I want to take pictures with cosplayers.
Lots of good cosplayers.
Because the cosplayers are really, really cool. And the first time we came here, we were like so amazed by the cosplayers.
But now we're not really that used to it as much as we are ready for it.
I know. So here's the thing. My 2 expectations for today are to see lots of cosplayers and to take lots of pictures and
buy cool stuff and Loki
buy cool stuff and Loki stuff.
I got
yes, Thor's brother.
Yes. My sister currently enamored with Loki or Tom Hiddleston.
Shut up.
Okay, let's get closer so I will show you the thing. Okay, there you see the thing, the huge banner. There you see.
So cool.
There, you see that? I'm gonna take a picture in Captain Kirk's chair. Yay!
See that?
I'm gonna meet these cool people.
Sylvester McCoy isn't even there. Yeah, Sylvester McCoy canceled, by the way.
Yeah. The good thing is that I wasn't really into Sylvester McCoy. I mean, I like the Doctor, but he's actually my favorite.
Can you tell them what you're getting in compensation for it?
Oh, in compensation, I get a raffle entry in order to win the whole series of Who, or get
It's
just
a
one
special
season
edition box.
alone of Who. So, I decided to just go for the season alone because I didn't want to risk anything. Okay, gonna start recording. We'll start recording later once we are at the con. Well, in the area. We are now at the.
The guy in front of us.
Oh yeah, cool. We're now at the area of the con. Down there, much cosplayers.
Oh, look at the TARDIS.
There's a
right
chick
there.
wearing a Peter hoodie and some girl wearing a Chocos hat thing.
Whatever.
We're gonna see how it goes.
We are so amazed right now because.
And I'm gonna change up my cosplay once I get in. I am now in. Oh wait. We are now in full cosplay. My sister. Me.
All right, let me take a shot at you. All right.
My tattoo.
Yep, there he is.
And now we are coming to you from the convention center in Cintermex. We will keep you posted.
Yeah, keep practice that.
Hey.
We're here at the convention. It's amazing.
Yeah, there's.
I want a flower.
Yeah, we bought a lot of stuff. There's a bunch of cosplayers, and I got recognized like 2 or 3 times.
I'm sorry, I'm browsing.
Okay, she's.
Oh yeah, wait. And I got this amazing thing. Look, you're gonna love it, but you can't really see it. You can't really see it, but you can tell it's Loki.
Yeah, it's Loki. Okay. Anyway, so I got recognized a few times. We bought some cool stuff. We see some awesome cosplayers, and it's going very well. It's going very well. I'm thinking maybe we'll go to some events or see what else they're doing here, but we're just browsing right now. I bought some cool stuff, so let's see how it goes. In the con area, because I'm able to get in before we go to this. There are currently a bunch of people setting up. I guess you have to buy stuff.
Guys,
hey! Okay, so we just left the con area. We're still in the thing.
It was amazing. We had lots of fun.
We saw a bunch of
And
cosplayers.
we took a bunch of pictures.
With lots of cosplay. We bought some very awesome stuff. And all it's been an eventful day.
It's only 1:40 p.m.
This is the most I've ever done before noon.
Well, yes, at noon, basically.
Yes, basically.
Well, we got these amazing drawings.
Oh yeah, we will show you. I'll probably link it in the description below. A Tumblr, my sister's Tumblr, And, well, it was a very good day. Bye.